Very good morning, dear students of Standard 7th. As in my last live session lecture, I have taught you about the soil. Okay? And in my this lecture, I am providing you the video of the same lesson through notes. So, please note down all the notes. See, lesson number 7. You can see it. Lesson number 7, soil. Here are the notes which you have to write it down. Dash soil is found in Osmanabad district of Maharashtra. Option is given to you. So the answer is black soil. Laterite soil is found in Dash district of Maharashtra. Raigad in Madhya Pradesh. Dash is cultivated in region where the soil as well is drained, that is potato. Now true or false? Black soil is found in Deccan Plateau region. Answer is true. Jawar is cultivated on the large scale in Konkan region. Answer is false. Rice is a staple in a diet of people from Kerala. Answer is true. Beed district of Maharashtra is famous for the cultivation of custard apple. Answer is true. Planting tree help in reducing soil erosion. Answer is true. Answer the following question in one sentence each. Here are the question and answer also given here, so you can note it down. Which rock has given rise to red soil in South India? Answer is granite and gneiss rock have given rise to red soil in South India. Which soil is formed due to the leaching of basalt rock in western Sahyadris? Laterite soil is formed due to a leaching of basalt rocks in western Sahyadri. What is meant by humus? The biotic material that get mixed in soil is known as humus. For which product is the district of Sindhudurg famous? The district of Sindhudurg is famous for Hapus mango. Which district of Maharashtra is famous for orange cultivation? Nagpur district of Maharashtra is famous for orange cultivation. Got it? Now here are some geographical reasons of the following question. To the west of Sahyadri, laterite soil are formed from basalt rock. सह्याद्री के वेस्ट में लैटराइट सॉइल जो है वो बेसल्ट रॉक से क्यों बनता है? सो आंसर इज इट्स रेन हेविली टू द वेस्ट ऑफ सह्याद्री इन कोंकण रीजन. सेकेंड पॉइंट, द क्लाइमेट टू द वेस्ट ऑफ सह्याद्री इज ह्यूमिड. थर्ड पॉइंट, heavy rainfall and humidity led to leaching of basalt rock on a large scale. This process gives rise to the laterite soil. Thus, the west of Sahyadri laterite soil are formed from basalt rocks. Next question, humus content in the soil increase. So, the answer is the regular use of organic manure, vermi-post compost. Compost help in maintaining the pH balance in a soil. A large number of microorganisms exist in the soil with high pH. Microorganism decomposes and dead remains on plants and animal and other organic material. The biotic material thus produced is called humus. Thus, by regular use of organic manure, humus content in a soil increase. See, you can note it down and Be clear, you have to write all this question answer in your notebook. As soon as the school will reopen, I will ask you for all the notes and you have to submit all these notes in the class. Now next question. Soil formation process is faster in the equatorial climate. What is the reason for this? First point, high temperature and high rainfall are the main features of equatorial climate. Second point, the temperature of equatorial region is around 27 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius throughout the year. Third point, the mean annual rainfall in equatorial region is around 2500 mm and 3000 mm. It's 3000 mm. It's rain throughout the year in this region. Fourth one, in the region of high temperature and high rainfall, the process of soil formation is faster. Thus, due to a high temperature and high rainfall, soil formation process is faster in the equatorial climate. Now come to next question. The salinity of a soil increase. So first point, irrigation facilities are utilized for producing producing greater amount of crop. But excessive irrigation, excessive irrigation draws the soil slats from the soil upward and make the soil slime and then unproductive. Thus, due to excessive irrigation, the salinity of a soil increase. Rice is a staple diet of a people from Konkan. Hot and humid climate, high rainfall and alluvial soil from Konkan is favorable for the cultivation of rice. Therefore, rice is grown on the large scale in Konkan. The local agriculture produce determines the staple diet of the people. Therefore, rice is a staple diet for the people from Konkan. Soil erosion. A top layer of soil gets removed due to a heavy rains for running water of river. The soil gets eroded due to a high velocity of wind and steep slope. Thus, soil erosion occurs due to the running water, winds and slope. Soil degradation. First point, to obtain higher agricultural yield, chemical fertilizer, insecticides, weedicides and irrigation technique is used. However, the excessive spraying of chemical fertilizer lead to a soil degradation. In such condition, the proportion of soil in soil decrease and the pH value of soil get disturbed. Excessive irrigation draw the salt from the soil upwards and make soil saline and unproductive. Thus, soil erosion occurs due to chemical fertilizer and excessive irrigation. Now see students, here is a map. You can see this map is already in your textbook also. And there are some questions related to this map. So you can write it down. See, these are the questions. Which soil occupies most of the area in Maharashtra? Regur soil occupies most of the area of Maharashtra. You can see in a map also. See, this is from your textbook. महाराष्ट्र का मोस्ट जगह में कौन सा सॉइल आपको मिल रहा है? दैट इज़ ब्लैक सॉइल यानी रेगर सॉइल. ठीक है ना, बहुत सारे जगह में आपको मिल रहा है. नाउ कम टू सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. इन विच एरिया अ लैटराइट सॉइल फाउंड? Answer is laterite soil is found in the coastal belt of Konkan and the west of Sahyadri and the east of Vidarbha. See, this is laterite soil that is in orange color. You can see. In this part and in this part. Okay. So the answer is in a coastal belt of Konkan to the west of Sahyadri. Now come to third question. Which soil is found in a river valley of Maharashtra? That is Rega soil. Fourth question. Which soil is found in the part of Sahyadri range? Answer is yellow brown soil. See, in this part. Okay. Next question. In which region is alluvial soil found? Alluvial soil is found in the mouth of river in Konkan area. Name any three districts in which laterite soil is found. The three districts are Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. Name any three districts in which alluvial soil of the coastal strip is found. Answer is Mumbai, or you can say Mumbai city, Mumbai suburban and Palghar. Name any three districts in which yellow brown soil is found. That is Pune, Nashik and Satara. Name any three districts in which the Rega soil is found. That is Jalgaon, Jalana and Nanded. Okay students. So through this map you have to write all the questions. Complete your work and very soon your school will get reopened and sir will provide you the information of everything. So complete your notes. Till then, have a great day.